Hey, super second graders. Today is our fourth day, and we are going to be continuing to work with ordinal numbers. Our learning target today is I can identify the ordinal position 1st through 20th using an ordered set of objects. Now, we have talked a lot about finding the ordinal position, and every time we sort of mention that you have to know which direction you're counting from. So let's take a look at that just to make sure that we know which direction we're counting from each time. If we are going left to right, that's one option. This is how we might look at it. These fish are hungry. Which fish is 5th from the plant? So we would start on the left and we would start with the plant, but we would start counting with the fish and go from left to right. The next question says, Anthony wrote the sentence below on his paper. His teacher told him that the 15th word was misspelled and needed to be edited. We know that when we read from left to right. So that's how you'll figure out what the 15th word is. So take a minute to look at that and see if you can figure out what the answers are. Okay. Did you figure out that this beautiful blue and yellow fish, or cyan, that new color name that we learned, was the 5th fish? Notice that I still had to do my trick where I had to label underneath which ordinal position it was, because then it makes it so easy to answer. And for Anthony's sentence, the one word that was misspelled was the 15th word. So I labeled the ordinal position of the words, and I was able to see that, it's position that was spelled wrong. We know that position is P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N. This looks like how it could sound, but we know how it's actually spelled. All right, what if we were going right to left? So let's check this out. From the pencil box, what color is 10th? So here's my pencil box. So I've got to go from here and count right to left. So give yourself a second and see if you can figure out which color is 10th. Did you get brown? Absolutely, yes. The 10th pencil is brown. This time when I was labeling it, I had to label it from right to left because we were counting from the pencil box. So that definitely helped me this time. What if we are going from top to bottom? Let's read our situation. Our teacher just handed out new word lists for the week. Our assignment is to write a sentence with the 3rd word on the list. Now, when your teacher gives you a word list, you are going to look at it from top to bottom. So take a look at it from top to bottom and see if you can see which is the 3rd word on the list. Did you get kindness? Absolutely. Yes. Again, I used my trick. I do it every time just to make sure because I would not want to make a careless mistake. So I just label it. Then I know. The 3rd word is kindness. So the sentence that I wrote is, the new student said that the kindness I showed her made her first day so much better. All right, let's check out from bottom to top. The teacher asked the classroom helper to get the green crate. Which crate from the bottom is the green one? So this time you're starting on the bottom and you're going from the bottom up to the top. So check it out for a minute and see if you can figure out which one is the green one. Did you get that the green one was the 6th crate? Yes. Here's 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. The green crate is the 6th one from the bottom. And again, I had to label them. Makes it so much easier for me. All right, in today's video, you will have a chance to count using ordinal numbers, but I want you to think about if you can figure out which direction to count. Are you going from left to right, from right to left, from top to bottom, from bottom to top? See if you can figure it out. And also what I want you to try to figure out is before they say in the video what the ordinal number is, see if you can say what it is. Okay, enjoy.